Alright, so we're going to swap out these BF Goodrich all-terrain tires for some winter tires, some Nokian Hakkapeliitta R3s. Could probably run the BFGs all winter, but the compound really isn't meant for running in the snow and ice and all that, so we'll save those for the trail and for camping trips, and we'll get these legit winter tires on there and let's get after it. Alright, so we got her up in the air. We got a jack standard there just in case for safety. We got the big 1/2-inch drive Makita Ugga Dugga with the snap-on medium reach impact socket. Rip these off here. No problem. Spacer. Okay, these tires are directional, so it is important to know which way they go on. And I'm going to grab some anti-seize to coat those bolts. Start her nice and slow here. Now some people are going to say, oh, you can't start a bolt with an impact. Well, yeah, if you're an idiot, you can't start a bolt with an impact, but you know how to use it, just fine. If it gets tight or it stops, do not keep going. Most certainly will fuck the threads up, and you'll be in a world of shit. So some of you might be wondering watching this video, like, oh, why are you running those giant spacers on there? Well, there's a good reason for that. Number one, because I want the offset to be where it is, and the most important reason is because these wheels, these OZ Superleggeras, Italian for super light, are a center board of 57.1 millimeters. This Allroad, this 2014 Allroad, the center bore is 66.56. Obviously that's quite a bit larger than 57 millimeters. So in order to run these older style 5x112, same bolt pattern wheels on this newer model, late model vehicle, nobody sells anything off the shelf to allow you to run this wheel on this vehicle. So I had to custom make some spacers. I bought some 1-inch spacers or 25 millimeter spacers and machined out the inside diameter. So that seems good there. We'll tighten her down. Pull the jack stand up, set her down, nice and easy. So for size comparison, these wheels are quite a bit larger than stock. These are 215. What are they? 215 65/17s. The BFGs that I just took off, those are 225 65/17. So these are just a little bit smaller. Not quite as wide either. Overall width is a little bit less, 10 millimeters less. So still pretty beefy tires. They handle awesome. Move on to the front. Spin these bad boys off. You can see these tires are pretty much still brand new. Still got all the knobbies on them. So this will be great next spring. prepped up here first. Nice healthy coating of anti-seize. And if you're not familiar with this product, this is the copper stuff. Doesn't really matter which kind you use, but stuff is friggin' awesome. That way you're not dealing with lugs that are totally stuck come springtime after all the rust and salt eats away at fasteners. They're stainless bolts, but that only means they just stain less. Doesn't mean they don't stain. Peel this jack stand out here. Alright, we'll get over to the other side and knock that out, and then we'll take it for a test drive. Reset the tire pressure monitoring after checking all 4 tire pressures, and now we're ready for some snow. Bring it on. Alright, so we got the torque wrench, got it set to 100 foot-pounds. And we'll torque these wheels up in a star pattern.